My time as minority leader has been most fulfilling too. I have learned a lot having been forced to read almost all of your bills. Totoo. Pero hindi kaya. Kaya I said almost all. So I thank my compatriot in the minority of two, Senator Risa Ontiveros, for electing me as the minority leader. Ganun kasimple yung aming eleksyon, actually, Mr. President. To my colleagues, all of you, so I have, if I look around, I think I've spent enough time in this chamber, and I've been siguro so involved in your professional lives that I think I have personal relationships with all of you, actually with all of you. Ito, si Sila Bato, si Bongo, si Robin. May kaso pa nga kami. We are fighting over a political party. And because of that, I have been forced to look for another political party. So party mates ko na, Tita Cynthia, Amy Marcos, Mark Villar, Pia Cayetano. So I really have, I believe I have personal relationships with all of you. Kung meron man nasaktan sa 13 years ko rito sa Senado, kasi siyempre na-involved din tayo sa some highly political issues eh. Kung meron pong nasaktan sa aking mga kilos, nasabi, actions, or na-file, I beg for your understanding. And I pray that with the passage of time, you will find it in your heart to forgive me. So ganun lang po. If ever. Okay, so